Hi guys, welcome back to the new lecture, and that is our 12th lecture, I'm sure, and I hope that everybody's following the previous lectures and just following the course, the entire course in general. So we're having 12 lecture. Some of just few lectures are just coming up that would be uploaded in upcoming days. But for now, we're having 12 lectures. So welcome back, guys. And in today's lecture, we're going to talk about pointers. What are pointers in C++, how to declare a pointer, and how to initialize a pointer. So let's get started. This is the theory here. You guys can check it out. So let's talk about pointer. What is a pointer basically? So, all right, be attentive. A type of variable in which you can store the address of a normal variable. A type of variable in which you can store the address of a normal variable, all right? That means a pointer is a kind of variable in which you can store the address of a normal variable. You guys know that everything happens on the basis of address. We're having addresses that are whenever we send data, the data reach up to its location because of the addresses, right? Like everything happens internally on the basis of addresses. So once we initialize or declare a simple variable, it takes some space in the memory, which is RAM, right? Which is a temporary. So it takes some space, but it also owns its it also has its own address, right? A variable, when we declare or initialize a variable, it has its own address in the memory. So if you want to grab that address or display it right on your screen, we make a use of pointer. I'm sure this is clear. So now let's talk about how to declare a pointer, right? Suppose this is a normal variable, a simple one, which has a name var, and it holds value 5, which is integer. So now this is called the declaration of a pointer. First of all, we type the data type of pointer. I will type int here because I want to grab the address of a variable, which is this, and it's having a data type integer. So that's why I will make a use of int here, integer data type, and then this operator, which is asterisk sign, which is asterisk symbol, just put that here, and then you will have to decide the name for pointer or pointer variable, you can call it, for instance. And then that ends by this symbol, which is known as semicolon. So now we have successfully declared a pointer. What does that mean? Means now it's ready to get, or in which now we can store the address of a simple variable, which is var. As we declare normal variables like this one, integer, var, and that's now it's declared. You can assign value to it. The same goes for pointer. Now I have declared the pointer, which is having name pointer var, and the rules pointer to naming pointer, it has the same rules as that of normal variable. So that's why this is the name of the pointer, right? And that is preceded by asterisk symbol. That is the syntax of declaration of a pointer. So now I have declared the pointer. I want to store address in it. I want to get the address of var variable, which is a simple variable. Now let's come to the initialization of pointer part. So see, I've declared the pointer. So first of all, I'll just simply type that pointer name, which is pointer underscore var, then assignment operator, and then I'll make a use of this operator, which is you can call it AND. It is not an AND operator, but there is the symbol, AND symbol. Just use it, followed by the variable name. So what is this variable? It is a simple variable. You have to type the name of that variable of which you want to get the address. So in this case, I want to get the address of this variable, which is holding 5. So that's why I will type that variable name preceded by this symbol. So what does it mean? It means we got the address of where variable, which is holding 5, in this pointer name pointer where. So if I display pointer where on screen, I'll get its address. I'll get the address of where variable. So let's work with it practically in order to understand or in order to learn pointers in this lecture. Then that will be clear. There will be no confusion. And if you guys have still questions, you can comment down below and you will receive the answer. So let's get started. Let's work with it practically. I simply declare a variable, a simple variable. I initialize it with 5 in x. Now I want to declare a pointer. So suppose pointer, and that is x, suppose, right? And then I told you guys you have to make you have to put this sign here, asterisk sign here. Now I have simply declared the pointer. So I just have to assign this variable to it in order to grab its address. So pointer x equals to this operator, then variable's name, which is x. So see, now I've got the address of x variable, which is holding 5 in this pointer x. So if I first of all, I want to print the value of 5. So you see the normal variable, or you can say the variable x is holding, right? Holding 5, right? In this case, and in this second line, I want to type here the address of x variable. So now I will simply have to type the pointer's name, which is this. So let's compile this program by pressing F9, and I'm going to run it to see how it's working. So now it's been successfully compiled and it's being run. That is the result, guys. You can check it out on the screen, right? Which is the first, in the first line, I type the variable x is holding 5, and the address of x variable is this, which is in hexadecimal. So that's how we work with pointers. The x variable is simply holding 5, and the address of x variable is this. That is all about pointers, guys. You would work with pointers in the advanced programming, but that is enough for now in my course. I'm sure this is clear. We use pointer in order to grab the address of a simple variable. That's the use of pointers in C++. I hope this is clear. If you still have questions, go to the comment section and ask your question. That was all for now, a short lecture, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.